Why I'm at a car and Flash.
Don't push me on the table. Why'd you still push?
Legos.
I got Flash and Captain Cold.
I got Batman and Catwoman. Basically, we're just gonna time ourselves, see who can get done faster.
You got your phone, so we put on a timer?
Yeah. Alright, we got a timer.
Right?
Alright, ready and begin.
Wait.
Oh, what? Oh, there we go. And begin. Where's the piece? Others, how would you think the Flash would go if faced with the Batmans? Because I feel like he might, you know.
I think Batman might win.
I don't know though. Like I feel like
I'm not a big Flash fan, but I think Batman is.
we don't know what we're doing anymore, so. I don't care anymore.
Why do your legs not bend? What kind of crappy Lego is this?
Dude, do the legs really not bend? Dude, they don't. What?
What is this?
Why are you standing up in the car? It's not safe.
Do you have different size wheels?
Dang it. No time now! Keep going! Thanks, buddy. Thank you.
Oh, I gotta make a cold gun. Well, there's the gun part. There's the cold part.
So mix them. Everyone, if a Lego doesn't fit, make it. No! No! I told you you'd win. Are you done?
I think so. I got extra pieces too, though.
Yeah.
Wait, this is Catwoman.
Huh?
You put Catwoman's head on Batman.
Did I really?
Yes, you did.
Oh. Sorry. Yo, where did this go? Okay, time. Bitch. Done. Okay, anyway.
But I'm Flash. Why I'm at a car and Flash. Don't push me on the table. Why'd you still push?
So, anyway.
Chemical says, screw you, Flash. Boom! Dead!
That's so cool his helmet's rubber though. Okay, sorry guys. We did the Legos.
I won.
He won.
I won.
He was at
I
19
won.
minutes.
I
I was
won.
at 21. So we got our Flash and we got our Captain
Cold.
Captain Cold. We Captain Chillax. Then we got our Catwoman and our Batman. You did good. We did great. I feel like I'm still missing pieces, even till.
We did it though.
Yeah, we did it. It was good. I got your fire.
Yeah.
You had an extra
Next
play.
time we should do. Which ones did we almost kill? Star Wars. We're gonna do Star Wars next time.
Yes,
So
that's gonna be fun. We should do that.